Hi guys, in the last video we talked about the budget strategy and its configuration in Stockmock here. So basically we are going to configure that strategy in Quantiply and try to understand what are the settings there here, right? So we have seen that in the non-directional strategy we are trading 100 points out of the money option with an SL of 80%. Let's go to Quantiply platform. Now in Quantiply, as you can clearly see, my PNL currently is running at around 1,97,000 on a capital of around 2 CR. So let me show you the budget settings here. So I have selected on create algo. I will write the name here as non-directional. So once I write the name as non-directional, I have to select call option and the put option. Strike I have to select is out of the money one, call side, and select the sell side here. Added the sell leg. Click on PE, add the buy leg here. So we have shorted OTM1 call, OTM1 put. Stop loss on individual leg is 80% and 80%. So you have added the 80% stop loss. We have not selected move SL to cost in this, so we are not going to select the move SL to cost. Timing here is 9:30. So basically I'm going to select 9:30. End time is 15:25, that is 3:25 we are exiting. Or you can keep an exit of 3:24 here. And if you want to be safe here. Okay, so exit time is 3:24 and fixed stop loss is 4,000 rupees per lot here. So let's say that you're trading two lots here. You have to keep a fixed M2M stop loss of 8,000 rupees. Okay. After that, entry order type has to be on the market order, but exit order always has to be on the limit order. So keep this limit order to 5 point or to be on budget. You can keep this limit order to approximately 8 point difference so that your stop losses don't get skipped. So on this setting, this limit order difference is only for budget and not for all the days here. Okay, so you can keep 8 to 9 points different between the trigger and the limit price so that your stop losses don't get jumped. The volatility will be at its peak when the budget will be announced, and after that the volatility will start crushing down. So basically we want to be safer on that side, and hence we are keeping a difference of 8 to 9 points here, and exit with market order if order opens for 5 seconds. SL order placement. SL always has to be placed in advance here, and SL placement delay, there is no SL placement delay. Entry order delay, there is no delay. Exit order delay, there is no delay. Trailing frequency, you can keep it as a 1 minute trailing frequency and you can save the settings. So once you save the settings, you can click on Wednesday basically, because we are trading that strategy, especially we are trading this strategy on Wednesday. So we are going to go and select the Wednesday column here, right? Select a broker, whatever broker that you want to trade here, and just save the settings here. So as you can clearly see on the Wednesday tab, I have got my strategy, that is the non-directional strategy. Now I want to create a directional strategy here, right? So the second strategy is the directional strategy. What I will do is, firstly, I will just duplicate this algo. I will duplicate this algo so that it reduces my time here, and I will select the Wednesday, and I have added my broker here. So I have added my broker. I will go and change the directional settings here. So in the directional tab, I have added OTM1 settings. The stop loss for individual leg is 30% individual leg, and we have selected move SL to cost. The time for the strategy is 11:30 a.m. So the time here is 11:30 a.m. and exit time you can keep it as 15:24. The move SL to cost is there. Apart from that, we have a re-entry here. So we have to select the re-entry, and in this re-entry is basically recost in Quantiply. So select recost here, go to the settings, select recost here. I have done my settings on the upper level. Now we do not have any kind of M2M stop loss. So I would select on none here, and I have removed my M2M stop loss. Apart from that, let's say that you want to add trailing stop loss, you can add it on your own based on your understanding about the market. I'm not going to suggest a number here. So you can basically write for per lot, you can start trailing whenever the M2M starts to give a profit of, let's say, 1500 rupees or 2000 rupees. Okay. So I have not backtested in the strategy, but you can add it according to your own understanding of options here, right? In this, there is no settings, there is no change of premium matching, so we do not have to select any kind of premium. Entry order delay always has to be market. Exit order delay has to be limit order with 8 point difference. So And re-entry, everything else is same. Re-entry has to be on candle close. Re-entry always has to be on candle close. So this is one of the most important things that you have to remember here. Apart from that, there is re-entry has to be done on the individual, and these are both individual legs here. So this is correct here. Now once you have done that, always go and cross verify the settings, whether you have selected OTM1 or in ITM1 here. This is a very important thing. Most of the times people are traders are not careful about their settings, and that is where they are getting a different panel. Timing has to be 11:30, so directional timing is 11:30. So change the timing to 11:30. See, like I had not changed my timing here, I have to change the timing from 11:30 to 15:24. Move SL to cost, recost. This is not a re-execute, this is recost here. There are no settings, there is no change in settings here. This is always candle close if you are following Stockmock here. So I am going to change my settings here. Now you can clearly see the total PNL currently. My total PNL that is running is at around 2 lakh 3,000 rupees on a capital that is deployed here is more than 2 CR. So my individual PNL is around 57,000 on a capital of 50 lakh here, right? So I hope you like the video, and basically what you can do is watch this video if you want to understand more about our budget strategy. This is a very important video that you have to watch, otherwise you will not understand the settings part of the strategy here, right? So I've made two videos where I'm talking about this video, I'm talking about the quantiply setting here, and the second video that I'm talking about, this is the second video where I'm talking about the directional as the and as well as the non-directional strategy. Now you can backtest numerous strategies. Basically, I'll show you few of the examples where about strategies that you can backtest freely on the budget days. The link is there in the description below for Stockmock as well as Quantiply if you want to execute these strategies. So what I'm trying to do is on the budget day, let's say I'm trying to short a ATM plus ATM call and put at 11, let's say 11:35 with 35% SL. Let's say this is a random strategy that I'm testing just to show you how you can design your own strategy on the for the budget day only. So if I test this strategy, how much profit does it show, whether it is a good strategy or not? Let us just check it out. So if we see on the budget, the strategy has not given me good profits here. It has given me losses 3 number of times. So I would not prefer this strategy. As you know, the strategy has given poor returns. Let's say that I add a re-entry here. So once let's say that I have added a re-entry. Now I will backtest this strategy. Does it show me good result? Just to check it out. Re-entry helps you to cover, or re-entry helps you to capture the reversals. So the strategy has further improved because of only 2 loss days that we have, and rest of the days are profit making. Let's say that we further change the timing or the strike price randomly to ATM plus 400, ATM minus 400. I'm just showing you so that you can backtest random strategies, 80% SL, 80% SL with a re-entry. So this is the final strategy. I'll just show you just to backtest on your own. It is absolutely free. You can backtest the strategy absolutely free on Stockmock. So this strategy also gave excellent profits in 3 years. But last year in 2021, it gave me a bigger loss here. So yeah, you can decide how much you want to trade, how you want to trade. Basically, 1 second. Oh, okay. So now let the strategy run here. Okay, so this strategy has given me excellent returns year on year. I think so. We had backtested both with call and put here. So change the settings to different time periods and go and randomly backtest. You may find very strong, astonishingly profitable results over a period of time. So some of the strategies I've shown you. So if you like the video, do share it with your friends, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Please, most of the people are watching the videos but are not subscribing. It would motivate me to make further videos. You can watch all of these videos about algo trading. I have created a complete playlist about algo trading here.